Let's continue with our subtraction lessons. We will go over our DLO, review addition and subtraction vocabulary, and then we'll do some examples, and you will do your lesson in your packet 7.5. Okay, let's get started. Our daily learning objective, our DLO. I'll read it first. Today I will find the difference of two numbers. Now it's your turn. Today I will find the difference of two numbers. When I hear the word difference, I know it means subtracting, minus, because when we find the answer after the equal sign, after we solve it, it's called the difference. So I know we're working with subtraction problems today. Excuse me, because the DLO tells me we're finding the difference. Let's review. Adding. Everyone say operation. Plus. This is our plus sign. When you see plus, it means we're adding. Say add. When we add, we're getting more. Say getting more. After we've added, the question might say how many in all? In all. Or all together, because we've added to get more. When we solve it, say equals, that's the sum. When you add, you're getting a sum. That's a different song. We'll watch that next quarter. Now subtracting, say operation. Minus. When we use minus, we subtract. When you subtract with a pirate, yo ho ho, you will say, when you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. Say take away. Take away. Minus means take away. When we take away, we're getting less numbers because we're taking them away. Unless zero, then we don't take anything away. At the end of a subtraction word problem, they might say, how many are left? Then when you solve it, say equals, difference. When you subtract with a pirate, yo ho ho, you will say, when you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference. So in our DLO, find the difference. We're subtracting today. All right, so let me erase. And we'll do a couple examples, and then it will be your turn to subtract and write an equation. So in your packet, there are pictures with the blank spots. Blank, 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 blank. In the blank circles, you'll write minus and equals. Minus and equals because we're finding the difference, which is minus, subtraction. Some of them you'll have to draw the pictures. So the blank ones, you will draw the pictures. Whoever's helping you will read the story problem at the bottom. So you have to listen to the clues it tells you. For instance, the first one, it says listen to each story, draw a picture to show what is happening, and then write your equation. So number 2, Emily sees 5 rabbits in a pet store. How many rabbits? 5. Someone buys 3 of them. Someone buys them, so you'll cross them out. How many rabbits are left? That vocabulary, left. Difference, minus, subtraction. Okay, let's get started. Let's do a couple different equations. I'm going to use green. Okay. I'm going to use circles again because it's easier for me to draw circles. Don't forget to get your dry erase paper that I was telling you yesterday that you can just get out of your skill practice binder and your dry erase marker, or the one that you use when we do our live lessons. All right, so get and follow along with me. I'll just do circles. What kind of animal looks like a circle? Horseshoe crab? Sand dollar? Anyways, we'll just do cookies again. Cookies are, but no, we'll do donuts. How about that? We'll do donuts. I have 4 donuts. How many donuts do I have? 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know I'm subtracting because we're finding the difference. Minus. I have 4 donuts. I ate 2 of them. How many did I eat? 2. I ate 2 of them. So I'm going to cross out 2 because I ate them. And then I'll write that in my equation. How many donuts do I have left? Those are the remaining ones. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2. Candy cane foot. Now let's read our equation. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Put your fingers up. 4, that's the first number we started with, minus 2. Minus means take away. 1, 2. How many are left? 2. All right. Let's erase, erase, erase. All right, next one. I have 5 donuts. How many donuts do I have? 5. So I need to draw 5 donuts. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm starting with 5, so I'll write 5. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. I ate, how many did I eat? 3 donuts. I ate 3 donuts. How many am I taking away? 3. 1, 2, 3. I took 3 away, so I'm going to say minus 3 because minus means take away. How many donuts are left? Let's solve it. I had 5. I took 3 away. How many are left? Let's use our fingers. I had 5. Take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 2. 1, 2. Candy cane foot. Let's read our equation. 5 minus 3 equals 2. I had 5. I took away 3. And the ones I have left? 2. I have 2 left. Erase, erase, erase. I have 3 donuts. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter what size they are. I have 3 of them. I ate 1 donut. How many did I eat? 1. Let's cross it off. How many donuts are left? Now I can write my equation. I had how many? 1, 2, 3. Around the tree, that's the way you make a 3. I crossed out because I ate it, took it away. Minus is our operation. I took 1 away. Equals, how many are left? 1, 2. Let's read our equation. 3 minus 1 equals 2. I had 3 donuts. I took 1 away. My difference is 2. The difference. Let's do another one. I have 4 donuts. 1, 2, 3, a little tiny one, and a big one. 4. I have 4 donuts. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I ate 1 donut. How many did I eat? 1. How many are we taking away? 1. How many donuts are left? I started with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I ate 1, so I took away. My operation is minus 1 equals, what's my difference? How many are left? 1, 2, 3. Around the tree, that's the way you make a 3. Erase, 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 erase. All right, next one. I have 3 donuts. 1, 2, 3. I ate 2 of them. How many did I eat? 2. How many will we take away? 2. 1, 2. I had 3. Around the tree, that's the way you make a 3. I ate 2, I took them away, minus 2, because I took 2 away, equals, what's my difference? How many are left? 1. 1 donut left. Let's read our equation. 3 minus 2 equals 1. I had 3, I took away 2, and my difference is 1. Erase, erase, erase. Last example. I had 5 donuts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 donuts. I'm looking for my difference. I decided to save them for another day. How many did I eat? 0. I saved them. I didn't take any away. If you take nothing away, what number is it? 0. I took away nothing because I didn't eat any. So my difference, there is no difference. It's just the number how many you have. 5 minus nothing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take away 0, which is don't take any away, equals the number that you start with. Let's read it. 5 minus 0 equals 5. I had 5 donuts. I took away none. My difference is 5 because I still have all of my donuts. So get your worksheet. 7.5, listen to the stories, cross out the animals or draw your animals and then cross them out when you hear how many have left. Like one of them is the birds, they flew away. Those birds left. There's puppies in the store. One of them was sold, so the puppy left the store. There were hamsters that are sleeping, but one went away to each. How many left? So listen to the story. And you're finding the difference today, so you're subtracting. Don't forget to write your minus and equals in your writing lines. And now it's your turn.